AI influencers can earn around $7,000 per month by running their social media accounts, and this niche is gaining massive momentum and millions of views. In this video, I'll show you how to create the same kind of influencer from scratch using just one tool, Higgsfield AI, and start earning by running your own blog. We go to the Higgsfield AI website. There are a lot of functions here, and recently they added a new feature where you can create an AI influencer. At the top on the homepage, click the AI Influencer section. We get to the page we need. Here we will create our influencer, animate them, and make a full blog. As you can see, there are many different looks here. Not only people, there are even animals and elves, which is really cool and unusual. Let me first show you how the generation works, and then using my prompt, we will generate an influencer girl. Click Generate and wait a bit. As you can see, even without a prompt, it generated a very beautiful, realistic girl that we can use for blogging. For example, storytelling or travel. Now let's generate the influencer you want. On the right, switch the tab to Prompt, and here we paste our personal instruction for generation. You can write anything you want, how you want your influencer girl or influencer guy to look. After you finish writing, click Generate, and now we wait again. Done. I got a very beautiful and sporty girl, just like I wanted. Next, we can animate her. For example, so she dances to some TikTok or Instagram trend. Let me show you how to do it. Click the camera icon, try free, and choose a dance. It takes us to the motion control page. On the left, you see an example of the dance, and on the right, you see our influencer. Choose the quality 1080p, the best one, select video, and generate. You'll need to wait a little bit, and the first video is ready. Let's see how it turned out. And it looks absolutely amazing. Everything looks very high quality, and these kinds of dances get millions of views on social media. You can post videos like this, and you can also download any dance from the internet up to 30 seconds and upload something special. This is the best feature. Now click Open Motion Library on the left, and here you have a lot of dances available that you can use for your influencer. As an example, I'll make 2 more different animations. This can be used for stories or for a full video. Basically, choose any dance you like and animate your influencer again. And it's ready. Now the girl is dancing close up and singing. It looks really cool. What do you think, friends? Write in the comments what you think. I personally like it, and I can't stop watching these videos. These are the dances I made. In total, I made 3 animations. You can also change the outfit or change the location for the influencer. Now let's go back to the same feature and create an unusual character for a blog or anything else. You can choose many different characters. I will choose an elf girl, and now we will go through the advanced generation features. If you don't want to write a prompt, in Higgsfield AI, you don't have to. Scroll down. Here you can choose the gender of your character. There are many options. I will choose a girl. Next, you can choose nationality. Pick what you prefer. I will choose mixed. I set the skin color to red because I want to make something like cosplay. Eye color, red. You can also choose the skin type, the age of the character. You can also enable advanced settings. Here you can customize the mouth, teeth, ears, and many other things. Every detail, just like in a prompt. If you need to, change anything you want here. There are a lot of settings, and you can experiment a lot with influencer generation. After you finish, check what you selected and confidently click Generate Influencer. And wait, I got this girl. I want to change her a bit. Right here, we write a prompt about what we want to remove or add, and click Edit. In a couple of minutes, we get the final result. My influencer is ready. It looks like cosplay. Let's animate her. We choose a nice dance and generate, and it's ready. The girl is dancing beautifully. Don't forget to download all the videos. Additionally, I will generate 1 more influencer from the options Higgsfield AI suggests. I'll take an elf, change her outfit to a more modern one, and you can also change the background. Perfect. Now we can animate her. I add a dance, and it's ready. Just look at this. Wow. Write in the comments what you get. I hope I showed everything in detail that can help you with creating an influencer. Now let's go back to my main influencer girl. Now I'll make 1 more video. Not a dance, but how she simply walks down the street. This is perfect for stories or something else. I choose the animation section. Here, you need to choose the generation model and then write a prompt for what she will do in the video. And that's it. We wait a couple of minutes and get a beautiful video with a girl showing her sporty figure. You can make a sports blog like this, or travel, or tell any stories. There are a lot of ideas, and this AI influencer feature on Higgsfield really helps you create content and potentially start earning, even without experience or a big audience. I also want to talk about a really cool opportunity that Higgsfield provides. Pay attention to the button in the bottom left corner. Click it. This is the Higgsfield Earn section. Here you can see active campaigns and tasks. The idea is simple. You create content using the tools inside Higgsfield. For example, the AI Influencer Studio feature we just used. Inside Higgsfield Earn, you can generate a promo code for the campaign, and then you publish your video on YouTube. After that, you come back to Higgsfield Earn, choose the campaign you want to participate in, and you submit your YouTube video link. You also provide your payout details, so the platform knows where to send the reward. Then your submission goes through a quick review process. The team checks that the video follows the campaign requirements, and once it's approved, you can receive a payout for your content. This is a very interesting model because you're not just generating content, you're also getting a clear way to monetize it through official campaigns. If you want to try it yourself, I'll leave the official links in the description and in the pinned comment. Now let's watch all the videos I created using Higgsfield with my blonde influencer girl. I made a few different animations, different vibes, and different movements, and the quality honestly looks super clean. This is exactly why AI influencers are blowing up right now. You can create a character, generate multiple clips, and you instantly have content for Reels, TikTok, Stories, or even a full YouTube channel. And now I'm going to take it one step further. I'll create an Instagram page for this influencer, set it up like a real profile, choose a good username, add a simple bio, and upload the videos we generated. It already looks like a real influencer page, and that's the whole point. You're not just generating random clips, you're building a full online persona. So if you want to try it yourself, follow the link to Higgsfield in the description. Create your own influencer, animate them, and start posting your content. And make sure to also check the Higgsfield Earn section, where you can submit your videos to active campaigns. I hope this video was helpful and you now understand how to create influencers like this and launch your own blog step by step. Subscribe so you don't miss the newest trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.